Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Craxoid YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you install Android Q GSI ROM on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without wasting time, let's get started. So we are going to install Android Q on our Redmi Note 5 Pro, and the first thing what you have to do is you have to unlock the bootloader of your phone, and then you have to install custom recovery on your phone. Well, if you don't know how to unlock the bootloader and how to install TWRP on your phone, I have made a separate video on it. You can check, the video will be in the description so that you can easily unlock the bootloader as well as easily install TWRP on your phone. And after installing TWRP on your phone, then you have to download these 4 files from the description below, and make sure you downloaded exact same files from the description below. And then select this QA only file and extract it. And the extraction process completed. As you can see here, the extracted file. So now you have to copy these 4 files. You have to select the extracted files, but you don't need to select the last one zip file. So copy these 4 files and paste on your mobile phone, that is Redmi Note 5 Pro. So watch carefully which file I have selected. I will make a new folder here named as Android Q, and I will paste the whole files here. And copying process will take some time, so I will skip it. And we have successfully transferred the necessary files on our Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now what we have to do is we have to switch off our phone. So simply power off your phone and then go to the custom recovery TWRP mode. You have to press power button and volume up button to go to the custom recovery TWRP mode. As you can see here, we are in custom recovery TWRP mode right now, and this is what custom recovery TWRP looks like. And here click on the wipe button and click on advanced wipe. And select Delphi, Cache, Data, System, Finder. Select these all and swipe. And the extraction process completed. Now go back and click on the install button and go to your file section. I have my files on my Android Q folder. And first of all, you have to select the files that you have extracted. And if you don't see that image file, then you have to click on the install image button, and then you will see Q underscore A only image file. Then you have to click on it and then select on the system image and then swipe to confirm flash. And this flashing process will take some time, and the flashing process completed. Now go back, and now you have to reboot your phone to the recovery mode. So you have to click on the reboot button. So click on reboot button and click on recovery and swipe. And this will reboot your phone to the recovery mode. And again we are in TWRP mode right now. Now you have to click on the install button and then click on this vendor file. Click on it and then swipe. And this installation process takes some time. And finally the installation process has been completed. And then you have to go back and then click on mount button. Click on it and then select system, Finder and firmware, and go back again and then click on install button. Click on it, and from here you have to select the remaining 2 zip files. The first one is permissive and the second one is fixed zygote. So first of all, click on this permissive zip file and then click on add more zips. As you can see here, click on it and then select fixed zygote zip file. And you can see here 2 files are added here, and then swipe. And the installation process completed. Now you have to go back and you have to reboot your phone. So simply go back and click on reboot button and click on system and click on do not install, and this will reboot your phone to the system. Then after 2 or 3 minutes you will see a Google logo like this, and this will take some little bit of time, so wait. And then a pop-up dialog box will appear. Click on OK, and here you will be asked to input the password to enter into the Android. And now what we have to do is we have to format our phone. So to do this, we have to press power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Then you will be redirected to the TWRP recovery mode. And here you can see we are in TWRP recovery mode right now. And from here we have to format our phone. So click on wipe button and click on format data. Click on it and type YES and click on tick mark. And you can see here there is an error so that we cannot format our phone. So what we have to do is we have to go back and click on reboot button and click on recovery. We have to reboot to recovery once again. And you can see here we are in TWRP once again. So click on wipe and click on format data and type YES to format our data and click on tick mark. And you can see here formatting process completed successfully. Now click on reboot system and then click on do not install. And this will reboot your phone to the system once again, and it will take some little bit of time. And you can see here you will see the Google logo once again here. And here you can see finally we have installed Android Q on our Redmi Note 5 Pro. Click on OK button to continue. And you can see here this is Android Q interface. And this is how Android Q looks like. But there are lots of bugs in this ROM, so I wouldn't suggest you guys to install this ROM on your phone. And the first thing you will notice that you can't decrease your brightness. Brightness controller is not working right now. This Android Q is in first beta phase right now, so you can expect bugs in this ROM. And you can see here Android version Android Q in the about menu. And if you wanted to watch the features and bugs of this Android Q ROM on Redmi Note 5 Pro, well, I have made a separate video on it. You can check the video, will be in the description, so that you will know the new features and the bugs of Android Q ROM. And that's it for today guys. Hope you know how to install Android Q ROM on Redmi Note 5 Pro. And that's it for today. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just let me know, hit that like button, comment below if you have any kinds of queries, suggestions or any kinds of problem, and share this video as much as you can. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Okay, bye.